Ingrédients en use of caro consume 4 caro DI. 24 Amazing benefit of caro, Gajar, for skin en health. 1. Caro for glowing skin. 2. Treat of blemish bar oblique scar. 3. Anti-aging benefit. 4. Sun protection. 5. Suitable for dry skin. 6. Treat of skin allemand. 7. Healing calici. Caro facial mask for skin. 8. Caro moisturizing facial mask. 9. Caro calming facial spray. Air benefit of caro. 10. Treat of hair loss. 11. Stimulate hair growth. Health benefit of caro. 12. Eicar. 13. Cardiovascular benefit. 14. Prevent cancer. 15. Boost immune system. 16. Dental health. 17. Cleansed body. 18. Prevent aging. 19. Bénéficial d'urine menstruation en post-ménopausale phase. 20. Helpful during pregnancy. 21. Prevent stroke. 22. Source of calcium. 23. Digestive health. 24. General benefit. Nutritional value of caro. Caro are a nutrition addition to your diet are one of the richest source of beta-carotene. Te also avant. Amazing combination of phytonutrients comprising of beta-carotenois such alpha-carotene en lutein, hydroxycinnamon. Acide, anthocyanin en polyacétylenoléique falcarinol en falcarindiol. Te are also important source of vitamin C, vitamin K. Dietary fibre en potassium. Te also contain vitamin B6, niacin, folate, vitamin E, enzyme supporting manganese en. Molybdenum, en ergi providing vitamin B1, vitamin B2 en phosphorus. The nutritional value of caro is explained below. Cette table for in-depth analysis of nutrients. Caro, Docus carota, fresh, raw. Nutrition value per 100 g. Total orac value 666 malt bar oblique 100 g. Source, USDA National Nutri Database. Principe Nutri value percentage of DA. En ergi 41 que cal 2%. Carbohydrate 9,58 g 7%. Protein 0,93 g 1,5%. Total fat 0,24 g 1%. Cholestérol 0 mg 0%. Dietary fibre 2,8 g 7%. Vitamin. Folate 19 micro-g 5%. Niacin 0,983 mg 6%. Pantothenic acide 0,273 mg 5,5%. Pyridoxine 0,138 mg 10%. Riboflavin 0,058 mg 4%. Thiamin 0,066 mg 6%. Vitamin A 16706 IU 557%. Vitamin C 5,9 mg 10%. Vitamin K 13,2 micro-g 11%. Électrolytes. Sodium 69 mg 4,5%. Potassium 320 mg 6,5%. Minéral. Calcium 33 mg 3%. Copé 0,045 mg 5%. Iron 0,30 mg 4%. Magnésium 12 mg 3%. Manganèse 0,143 mg 6%. Phosphorus 35 mg 5%. Sélénium 0,1 micro-g 1%. Zinc 0,24 mg 2%. Phytonutrients. Carotène A 3427 micro-g. Carotène SZ 8285 micro-g. Cryptoxanthin SZ 0 micro-g. Lutein zeaxanthin 256 micro-g. Calories en fat, caro arloïne calories 8 à 100 g serving providing juste 41 calories. Te contient négligible amount of fat en absolute lino cholestérol. Fibre, caro arago de source of dietary fibre. A cup of showed caro provides abou. 3,6 g of dietary fibre. Te recommanded day allowance of FIBI 21 to 25 g for women en 30 to 38 g for men. FIBE helping keeping your intestines en artery clear and clean, en reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Bêta-carotène en vitamin A, caroarenone for rig content of bêta-carotène. They are a top source of vitamin A. 8 un cup serving of showed caro providing 1069 microgrammes of T vitamin. Vitamin AI vital for healthy skin, tête. En bonne. Te recommanded day allowance, orda, of vitamin AI 700 microgrammes en 900 microgrammes for women en men. Respectively. Vitamin K, a cup of showed caro provide 16.9 microgrammes of vitamin K, which equivalent to 20% of torda. Of 75 to 90 microgrammes. T vitamin play a crucial role in clotting your blood level a maintaining the bone health, thus reducing the risk of fracture, break and osteoporosis. Vitamin C, fresh caroar also a good source of vitamin C, 8 100 g serving providing about 9% orda of T vitamin. Vitamin C a water soluble antioxydant helping maintaining healthy connective tissue, tête en gomme. Antioxydant, caro contain a variety of antioxydants. They are particularly rich in the polyacetylene antioxydant, falcarinol. The antioxydant possess anticarcinogenic properties it destroy the precancerous cell in the tumor. B vitamin, caro are especially rich in the B complex group of vitamin. Suchafolic acid, vitamin B6, pyridoxine, thiamine, pantotonic acid, etc. Tactaco factor of enzyme. Mineral, caro also contain healthy amount of mineral like copper, calcium, potassium, magnésium, manganèse. Phosphorus.